Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Duncan Timber Works. I'm out here splitting wood, cutting wood, stuff that I can't use for turning. I split into firewood so that me and my son can sell it at a little firewood stand. I brought this oak home, this white oak home, and it had the signs that there's metal in it, which was a real big bummer because I wanted it for some really big bulb lengths. And so here we look. You know, oak has the telltale sign because of the tannins in it. You know, it tells you there's metal in there. I'm not sure exactly where the metal's at though. I was lucky enough to miss it with my chainsaw the first time around. Okay, and then we come over on the back side and it's not really there. There's a little bit here and there's a lot on the back side. So I think this one might be split into firewood. This back side don't have any. It looks like this side's pretty clean too. But I wanted to show you. I thought it was an interesting looking pattern, right? It's kind of circular. And I already went through another log of it. So we go back over here to the splitter and look at that. Look at that, man. That's something that would ruin your chain, absolutely ruin it. And so here's that darkness right here. So I'm assuming that this was a chain all the way around the tree and it grew through it. So hold on one second. All right, so we're gonna split this. What it looks